Hello and welcome back. Sorry I'm out again, guys. Another kiddo is sick. This time it's Isabel. So let's take a look at our agenda today. We're going to get going as we usually do with our agenda, grade check, and introducing vocab 15. So take a look at your do now. Please grab a Chromebook if you haven't yet. Fill out your agenda for the week. Please feel free to use that Chrome to check your MyConnect classes. Do your grade check if you have time, and then use your phone to study for vocab 15. Dear substitute, please give them about 5 minutes for the agenda and Chromebook, and then an additional 5 minutes for the study vocab. So real quick before you guys get up, let's also take a look at our homework tonight. You've got chapter 11 reading notes. However, there's no EQ this time. You're going to start outlining for your lit analysis. So your only task is to start pulling CDs you think would be useful for your essay. And then I'm also going to ask you to finish a draft, emphasis on draft, of your lit analysis outline. All you need to have done by tomorrow is a main thesis, 2 support theses, and 4 CDs. And we're going to get into that today. Okay, so if you haven't grabbed a Chromebook, please do so. Dear substitute, please give them about 5 minutes to get set up and do their grade check and agenda. Please pause the video. You should have filled out your agenda and hopefully done your grade check. Dear substitute, please give them about 5 minutes to get familiar with vocab 15 quiz on Friday. Please pause the video. Okay, so please put your phones away if you're still studying vocab 15 and take out your Chromebook. I'm going to need you to follow the instructions on the bars on the left, the bulleted items on the left. So log on to your Chromebook with your POSD Gmail if you haven't done so already. Go find our Lord of the Flies folder. It's where your lit charts have been, the last 2 we've done. I've got Michael's over here as a sample. It's English 4, LOTF, P1, and then your name. Once you find that folder, I'm going to ask you to open 2 things. Open your class view folder, and in that class view folder, find the LOTF writing guide presentation. The first slide is a big pink slide. And then the second thing, go find your personal lit analysis outline assignment. So for example, here's Michael's. Has his name, English 4, LOTF P1, lit analysis outlines. Don't worry, I'm only making you do one. I don't know why the plural. Leave your LOTF writing guides open and take out your notes. We're going to do a quick lecture on lit analysis structure. Dear substitute, please pause the video until everyone has both items open and their notes out. When everyone does have their notes out and is ready to go, please click up here for instructions and it will take you to the video on the Lord of the Flies lit analysis.